BioGold. Rejuvenate the earth. A microbial approach to soil enrichment. Save soil. Save the crops. Save the earth. The need. BioGold was developed to meet the pressing need for a sustainable agriculture that has little or no negative impact on the environment. BioGold was developed to allow farmers to get higher and quality yields with little input and without depleting their most important asset, their soil. What is BioGold? A concentrated liquid microbial compound formulated to gradually nourish and improve the soil, season after season. Contains a wide variety of soil microorganisms, both aerobic and anaerobic, including those that are nitrogen-fixing. Provides a biomass of living bacteria that allows plants to more completely uptake nutrients, is non-toxic, non-pathogenic, and environmentally safe. Is a cost-effective organic product that will nourish and improve the soil so plants grow healthy and produce higher yields. What does BioGold do? Promotes faster germination, better blooming, and rapid plant growth and maturity. Stimulates and assists existing soil bacteria to decompose soil organic matter and/or crop stubble. Reduces crusting and clods while promoting better water penetration and retention. Is hydrolytic, producing moisture on a small scale. Converts atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates for plant use. Increases organic matter in the soil and helps balance the soil pH. Promotes deeper root penetration and disease resistance. The concept behind BioGold. BioGold was developed based on the natural process of soil fertilization. Life on Earth is dependent on the soil, which is made of billions of microorganisms. The microorganisms in the soil include fungi, the spores of fungi, the reproductive system, actinomyces. Smaller than the fungi that do other jobs, they are divided in two groups, aerobic and anaerobic. Life on Earth is dependent on the microorganisms that perform functions that are essential. Decomposition and recycling process. Here's the decomposition of a leaf by some fungal organisms. We clearly see the fungal organisms and bacteria surrounding the leaf. They work together. The bacteria convert these nutrients into usable forms that other life can consume and transport. On the left is a picture of soil that has been formed by mineral activity with no microorganisms. It is dense and compact. As the organisms function and process and recycle these material, it creates voids, turning the soil into a spongy material that holds water and nutrients. The decomposition and recycling is important because the organisms all work together to produce humus. Atmospheric nitrogen and photons fixing. The positive effects of the microorganisms for the soil are also due to the fact that some can fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and particles of light, photons. Because of that, the microorganisms provide not only food to the plants, but they also provide some much-needed energy. Humus, often referred to as the black gold that helps to increase absorption of minerals that it converts into forms that can be taken up by the plants as nutrients. Increase absorption of organic compounds, which aids in plant nutrition, plant physiology, and in the cleanup of pollution or toxic materials in the soil. Increase the water-holding capabilities of the soil, which makes water more available to the plants for greater plant production. Increase the buffering capacity and stabilize the pH of the soil. Darken the color of the soil, which increases its absorption of solar energy. The organisms that run this process include VA mycorrhiza, a beneficial fungus that inhabit plant roots. Here is a bacteria fixing and moving phosphate into the node of the fungus. Symbiosis with plants. The liquid around this plant's roots and the root hair is filled with nutrients, with bacteria and smaller protozoa ingesting debris. As the plant exhales, this liquid is filled with gases. The bacteria capture atmospheric carbon to make sugar. This is a root tip. As it grows into the soil, it has a cloud of mucus around it. This is sugar. As cells slow off from the root, they are consumed and inhabited by bacteria. The bacteria are part of the plant. They are in the plant and on the plant. They are supposed to be there. The bacteria also capture water vapor from water. They like a liquid environment. The bacteria take enough water out of the atmosphere and put it in the soil to keep the plant viable. This process reduces the need for supplemental irrigation. Disease control and suppression. Here, the bacteria are in association with fungal organisms. The larger fungi is a soil pathogen, a disease. The smaller thread is a beneficial fungi, a trichoderma. This trichoderma kills and eats the pathogenic bad fungi. Here's a nematode, a bad fungi. The beneficial fungi, in addition to suppressing and ingesting pathogens, ingest Animalia, which is a pathogenic nematode. Here's a nematode captured and held at bay. The bacteria, in conjunction with the beneficial fungi, attack and consume the nematode. This is another pathogen. This is an amoeba ingesting beneficial bacteria. These amoeba cause a disease in humans, amoebic dysentery, that kills millions every year. The amoeba is ingesting the bacteria. The beneficial bacteria consume the amoeba from within, breaking down its toxins, breaking down the poison, and recycling it as a nutrient, where the poison is ingested. Here's a healthy population of many bacteria. This shows what happens when too much toxic material is used to manage the planet. Only a few organisms grow, and they're mostly disease-causing organisms. Reproduction. Beneficial bacteria double in population approximately every 5 minutes through a process called mitosis. Many pathogens take longer to double in population. Beneficial bacteria outpopulate the pathogens. Healthy soil is balanced and has many beneficial microbes. Diseased soil has primarily pathogens. What if there is a product that can increase the population of beneficial microbes in the soil? Then naturally they will break down organic matter and create humus, balance the pH of the soil, fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, and make it available in the soil, fix protons and create energy for the plants, get water from the air and create moisture in the soil, help plants uptake nutrients and resist diseases. With this product available, then we will move forward in meeting the need of a sustainable agriculture with little or no negative impact on the environment, higher in quality yields for farmers with less inputs, and without depletion of the most important asset, their soil. BioGold was conceived and formulated based on those natural concepts. BioGold is made up of beneficial microorganisms that are naturally occurring, the same that are normally found in a healthy soil. Many farmers already have been using BioGold for many years, and they've been impressed by the efficiency of BioGold. Our goal is that all farmers around the world get to use BioGold for an agriculture that is sustainable.